Hello kids. Do you remember there isn't? There aren't. Let's revise the rules. There isn't an apple on the plate. There aren't pears on the table. Now let's play a quiz. Read the sentence. Choose the correct answer. 1. There aren't many people in the park. 2. There isn't a bus station near my house. 3. There aren't two taxis near the cinema. 4. There isn't a bus on the street. 5. There isn't a playground next to the school. 6. There aren't any cars on the street. 7. There aren't many boats on the beach. 8. There aren't 10 buses at the bus station. 9. There isn't a fountain in the park. 10. There aren't any children on the playground. Great job. You're amazing.